Tula Rasi or Tula Rasi is seventh among the 12 Rasi systems in Hindu astrology and all other theories. See, the predictions of the if you want to see Shani transition for Dhanus Rasi, Sagittarius to Makar Rasi, Capricorn, the matters about 2020 to 2023 periods. Shani transits into Makara as a Capricorn. Shani is the planet which spends long time in each zodiac than any other graha in our Navagrahas. See, last January 24th at 9:50 a.m. Shani enters in Makar Rasi. By stepping to Uttarashada Nakshatra, Shani becomes retrograde and May 11th, 2020. If we are going to see effects of the Shani transits into fourth house will bring bad results to Tula Rasi natives. Domestic unhappiness, ill health, quarrels, financial problem, fear of loss of prestige, impediments in marital life, and sexual enjoyments and disputes regarding property and mental tensions leading to wrong decisions. Difficult since journeys discomfort from conveniences. And coming to the finance status and money matters, this transistor is a good one in financial matters. Due to unexpected growth in expenses, you will even spend out your saved money. Uncertainly, uncertainly and irregularities in income generation will get you troubles. Additional to this, unnecessary expenses will hurt you even more. Your entire financial status will shake due to all these. During this transit, there is no possibility of growth in mixed assets. You cannot buy any land or house. In movable assets like jewelry, vehicles, more and more the growth evidence, but it's not greater when you compare it to that of previous transit period. Coming to the career and business, see, when it comes to career or business, it's a mixed bag for Tulas natives. If you are looking for promotion in your job, I'm sorry to say that it may get delayed. Increments on growth and salary will average. Though there will be no damage relation with higher officials, you can't expect any special help from them. Lack of unexpected support from colleagues will disappoint you. In terms of business, this transfer brings out average results. Though there will not be a significant change in business growth. It will decrease a bit. You will make plans for business expansion, but when it comes to implementation, cannot be moved further. If you are in a partnership business, the relation between you and your partner will not be at that good. Addition to this, the relation with your important supplier or client will also go worse. The policies government will also impact your income and profits. So coming to the education and learning studies, in studies and education, Tulala students will get average results to bad results. Since you will be prepared will more exams, you will not face many troubles in the presentation, and exam results will not be affected much. In competitive exams also, you will prove your mental, but you will get below average results. So coming to the family life and marriage life, in family from this transit is not a good period. Domestic issues will flare up and you will also be depressed with the health issues of your life partner or a family member. The eligible girls and boys of Tulas need to wait for some more time to get married. Coming to the health wise, health wise based transfer will gets you mixed results. You will always feel some distress. You will element related to abdomen, lower abdomen, and other lower parts will be increased. They take care of your diet. The natives of the Tularasi who are above of age need to be very careful, as you are very much prone to diabetes and blood pressure. Simple exercise in the morning is the only one precaution to be taken of this one. Coming to the remedies, so if you are going to ask me the remedies, so better I will give you the small remedy and the best remedy, which one gives a more 100% you know high good result. Due to Shani presence in the fourth house from the Janma Rashi, you may enjoy parallel aspects of luck. To mitigate the negative effects and to get auspicious results, you need to do only one zapam before pray to first of all Ganpati. Go for Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. Follow with me. Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sam Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sam Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sam Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sam Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. Om Sham Senicharaya Namaha. So, if, Shani Bhagavan gives a lot of good lucks to Tula Rasi. Don't forget it. Especially who are born in Vrishabha Lagna and Tula Lagna, Vrishabha Rasi and Tula Rasi. I mean Taurus and Libra. So if you are going to chant this mantra of 11 times a day, 8 times or 11 times a day, and 108 times in a Saturday, especially in Saturdays, it gives a more good results. If you're going to ask me for Ratna Dharana or Rudraksha Dharana, where is 7-mukhi Rudraksha? If you get a locket or chain, where a Neelam Ratna, a blue sapphire in the Panchadhatu and Ashtadhatu, where in the ring in the middle finger of the right, which one is Saturn, and this finger belongs to Saturn. And come to the puja vrata and do Shiva puja, Shiva upasana also. Offer a jalabhishekam to God Shiva at least one Monday, chant Murchinjaya mantra. You know the Murchinjaya mantra? Trayambakam, Tejamahe, Sugandhim, Dustivardhanam, Urvaraka, Miva Bandhanan, Mruchu, Mukshi, Yama, Amruta, Arahar Mahadev. About non-Western food and alcohol and to do good deeds and expect best results. My suggestion is that in roadside lot of orphanages is there, old age people, the people who are left by their children also. If you are a rich person, feed them, and you have a capability to you can keep them in a old age homes and give a food them, give a cloth to them, feed a food for black dogs, black cows, any one black based you can help them, but not for the bad people. Help them. Sending Bhagavan will going to feel very happy on you. This one is so good, and this one too for today, and next one will be I will come. Bye.